Now we are going to see question from April 2005 exam. It is very old question, but it is very nice question. We are going to learn lot of things in this question. Okay, what we have, what? A disc. Now try to read the question with me. A disc on a steel rotor is 10 mm thick. What we have? We have a one disc. It is steel rotor whose what? 10 mm thick and has a 4 holes. How many holes with the disc? 4 holes. Each hole has a dia 20 mm through it. Okay. A disc is how much? 10 mm thick. Okay. Now try to see the scenario here. Okay. Through the following position as shown in figure, they have given us one table. For first hole, 0 degree angle, at what radius? Okay, they are given us. Try to see the scenario. Okay, I'm going to draw the drawing for this one. So always try to draw the bigger drawings. This is what our disc. On that disc, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, what is the scenario? Disc has how many holes? Disc has 4 wells. So first hole is what? We will represent first hole is how much angle? So this is what the first hole. Okay, we will say this as a M1 hole. What is meant by hole? Hole means what? We are removing the mass. See the point. Second hole is 75 degree. What is meant by 75 degree? 75 degree will come approximately here. This will be what our? This 75 degree will come approximately here. This is what M2. Then third. So angle of this one, this M2 angle is how much? Angle of M2 is how much? This angle is how much? 75 degree. Okay. So this angle is how much? 75 degree. Then at an angle of 160 degree, there is a third hole. Okay. At an angle of how much? 160 degree, there is what? Third hole. That is what? M3. At how much angle? 160 degree. So from this point to this angle is how much? 160 degree. Okay, see the point here. This discussion is very, very important to us. And drawing is again important. In mechanics, the only important thing is what? A drawing. If you are good with drawing, then everything will be simple. So this is what? 160 degree. Okay guys? Okay. After 160 degree, there is a fourth hole. At how much? 240 degree. So up to here 90, up to here 180, up to here 270. So fourth hole will be where? At this location between 180 and 270. So 240 is approximately where? At this location. So this is location of fourth hole. Try to see the point here. Okay. So how much angle of fourth hole? From this reference line? How much angle? 240 degree. Okay, good. This angle will be what? 240 degree. Okay. Now I am going to add few more angle here. What will be this angle? What will be this angle? What will be this angle? See, overall angle from this point to this angle, this point is how much? 90. 90. If you subtract 75 from 90, it will become, this angle will become 15 degree. No. Okay. What about this angle? What will be this angle? See, from, okay, this will become 70 degree. See, from this point to this angle 160. If you subtract 90, then this angle will become 70. What about this angle? what about this angle? How much? How much this? See, from this point to this point, up to this point, from here, okay, see 270, and if you subtract, okay, so that is what? 30 degree. Any doubt in this discussion, guys? Okay, all angles are okay. All four masses M1, M2, M3, M4. Basically, these are what we are making a hole. Okay, what we are doing? We are making a hole, and whenever we are making a hole, in that scenario, what is the direction of centrifugal force? Whenever we are removing material, what is the direction of centrifugal force? Centrifugal force must be what? Inward. Okay, so from this location, means here we are making a hole. So centrifugal force will be what, guys? Inward. M1. Radially inward, because from this location, mass get removed, so extra mass will come on this side. So for making things simple, we are, so what will be centrifugal force? M1 R1 omega square. But for making calculation simple, we are omitting omega square. Okay. Then next point is what? What about M2? Same this line. Next force is what? This one is what? M2 R2. See the point. Then third force will be what? Here. Same radially, along this dotted line. This will be what? Centrifugal force is what? M3 R3. Here it is omega square, but for making calculation simple, we are omitting omega square. With the final result, we are going to multiply. Then here also, same radial direction. See the point here. Same radially. That will be what? M4 R4. Okay. Now here, we are assuming x and y direction. This is what? X direction. This is what? Y direction. Okay. Now here, these four forces are inward. These forces are inward. So their component must also be inward. See the point here. So how to make the component? For making component, this M1 R1 directly in what? In y direction. So no components of M1 R1. Then M2 R2 in which direction? See the point. How to take the component? We are going to form one rectangle like this. See the point. So this is what? Components. If force is inward, component. Second way of representing the component. There are four ways we have studied. First two ways are rectangular. Another two ways are what? Triangular. So now this angle will be what? How much this angle? How much will be this angle? 15 degree. Okay, good. 15 degree. Then this is how much? M2 R2 cos 50. Okay, and then what about this one? This angle, this component? M2 R2 50. Okay, sin 15. Okay, good. Now similar way we can take out the components of what? M3 R3. Okay, here force is going inward, so component also going inward. Second way of representation of the component. So this is what? One component, and then this is what? One component. This angle is 70 degree, so this angle will also be 70 degree. So this component will be what? M3 R3 cos 70, and this component will be what? M3 R3 sin 70. See the components. Then, okay, any doubt in this discussion? Okay, good. Okay, good. Don't write anything, don't draw anything while I am writing. Okay, then, okay, don't do anything. Then, okay, fourth, force, same component. One component is in what? This component is in what? X direction. This component is in what? Y direction. So M4 R4, this force, this angle is how much? 30 degree. Okay, so M4 R4 cos 30, and then this will be what? M4 R4 sin 30. Okay. So first of all, please complete this drawing. Then we will see how to deal with this type of numerical. Okay, this is a little bit complicated drawing, but you have to draw. Try to draw the bigger circle. Try to draw the bigger circle. Okay, take half or 75% of your page. Try to draw the bigger circle. Then you can easily represent drawings. Then you will not get any problem with representing drawings. So try to draw the bigger circle. So first of all, draw this drawing. Then we will discuss the question further. Okay, first of all, draw this drawing. These are the M1, M2, M3. These are not external masses. Here M1, M2, M3 and M4, these are not external masses. These are the holes in the disc. These are the 4 holes in the disc. That's why centrifugal force is acting radially inward. Whenever we are removing masses, then try to see the scenario. But try to draw the bigger drawings. In mechanics, the only important point is your drawing. Nobody see what you are writing. Examiner will check your drawing only. While taking components, you have to form a rectangle also. Now guys, see the scenario. Try to see the question, what the question want to say. What the question want to say. I am going to read the question for you. A disc on a steel rotor. We have one disc on a steel rotor, which is how much thick? How much is the thickness of the disc? 10 mm. Thickness of the disc is what? 10 mm. And disc has a 4 holes. This is first hole, second hole, third hole and fourth hole. Each hole has a dia 20 mm and drilled through it. We are going to drill 4 holes through the disc. At the following position, they have given us an angular position of the disc. Okay, try to see the scenario here. So here what we have what? Guys, we have what? A disc in which we have 4 holes. Disc has a thickness 10 mm. How much is the thickness of the disc? Thickness of the disc is how much? 10 mm. 10 mm means what? 0.01 meter. How much dia of the each hole? Each hole is how much dia? 20 mm. Okay. Means 0.02 meter. And in the bottom, they have given us what? Density. Density is how much they have given us? 7,800 kg per meter cube. 7,800 kg per meter cube. So mass of each hole. Okay, mass of material removed from each hole. Try to see the point. Mass of material removed from each hole. How much mass we are going to remove from each hole? Okay, mass of material removed from each hole. What is we said? It has a M1, M2, M3. So each hole has the same dia, same depth. Each hole has the same dia and same depth. So mass from each hole will be same. That is what? M1 mass removed, M2 mass removed, M3 and M4 both are is what? So mass of material removed from each hole. Okay, so this is what? Mass. M1 is mass removed from first hole, M2 is what? M3 and M4. Okay guys, are you getting my point? So how to find out mass? Volume of hole into what? Density. How to find out mass of each hole? Because for finding centrifugal force, we need a mass of how much material? So volume of hole is what? Pi by 4 d square. Pi by 4 d square, that is the area of that circle, that whole circle, and then multiplied by thickness. That will be the volume of each hole and multiplied by density rho. We are representing density by rho. So how much mass? Pi by 4. D square is how much? 0.02 square. Thickness is how much? 0.01. Density is how much? 7,800. So how much mass of material removed from each hole? How much will be the mass of material removed from each hole? How much will be the mass? Please everyone do the calculation. 0.0245 kg. Okay, everyone got the same answer? Please always do the calculation with me also. So therefore, M1, mass of metal removed from hole number 1, mass of metal removed from hole number 2, mass of metal removed from hole number 3 and 4. Means M1, M2 and M3 and what guys? M4 will be equal to what? 0.0245 kg. Okay, so please write down these things first of all, because we need a mass of how much metal we are going to remove. Then and only we will get a centrifugal force. So that's why. So please write down all these things, the things on the screen, on this board. So now guys, we are going to form what guys? A table. What we are going to form? A table. Table consists of what? 4 things. First one is what? Mass, M, it is in kg. Then radius is what? R, it is in meter. Then M into R, it is in will be M into R will be in what? M into R will be in what? Kg meter. And then their corresponding angular position. Okay guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario here. Okay, so we have what? 4 holes. Means here mass means what? 4 holes. So first mass M1, second mass M2, third mass M3 and fourth mass M4. So all 4 masses are same here. All 4 masses M1, M2, M3 and M4, all 4 masses is what? Same here. Okay, so what is that value? 0.0245. Check it once again. Kg, I am not writing unit with each and every time because at the top only I have written the unit. 0.0245, 0.0245, 0.0245. So here how many masses with us? 4 masses. Radius is for each mass. For first mass, at how much radius? 0.15 meter. Second mass 0.05. Third mass 0. How much guys? 0.1 and fourth mass 0.12. Means for 4 holes. Then their angular position. This is 0 degree, 75 degree, 160 degree, 240 degree. Okay, these are we are assuming clockwise. We are assuming CW means clockwise we are assuming. Okay, now multiplication of these terms. What will be the multiplication guys? 0.0245 multiplied by 0.15. How much? 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Then 0.0245 into 0.05. How much? Minus 3. Okay, good. Then 0.0245 into 0.1. 2.45 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Okay, everyone please check it out. Please do the calculation with me. Then 0.0245 multiplied by 0.12. That is what? 0.0. How much? 2. Okay, Please everyone complete this table first of all before going further. Please write down the things properly. Your notes must be in good format. Now guys, what is our target? See, still not we have not discussed our target. What is our target? We have to find out, determine the angular position. See, what is our target? Determine the angular position and radius at which 0.02 kg of mass should be placed to balance the disc. Now there is some external mass. See what will happen. What they are asking us in the question. They are asking us radius. What is our target? They are asking us radius and angular position. Radius and what? Angular position of what? We are adding some external mass. We are adding some external mass m. M is what? 0.02 kg. Check it once again. Is it 0.02 kg? We are adding m is equal to 0.02 kg. So what they are asking us, at what location we have to place this radius, means at what radius and what will be its angular position, so that this system will become balanced. Are you getting my point, guys? Now how to do that? What is the procedure for that? So first of all, write down this target, radius and angular position. First of all, write down this target. Okay, so what is our target? We have to balance this system, this disc with 4 holes. We have to balance this system, and for balancing that system, what we have to do? We have to add some extra mass. What we are going to do? We are going to add some extra mass, 0.02 kg at particular radius and at particular angular position. So what is our target? We have to find out radius and angular position of this 0.02 kg mass. Okay. So now how to do this one? Try to see the scenario. What we are going to do? For that one, we are going to find out, for getting a radius and angular position. Guys, see the scenario. For getting radius and angular position of that extra mass, we are adding extra mass, external mass we are adding. Here masses are removed, but for balancing we are adding some extra mass. We are adding extra mass. So for that, guys, see the scenario. Now if you want to balance that system, these 4 forces will create unbalance in the system. These 4 forces will create unbalance, and that unbalance means what? R. R is equal to what, guys? See the scenario. Let R is equal to what? A resultant of what? Resultant of what? M1 R1, M2 R2, M3 R3, and what, guys? M4 R4. So these 4 forces will create an unbalance, and that unbalance will be what? R, and its unit is what? In kg meter. Now you may say, sir, it is a force, but why it is in Newton? Because here we omitted omega from each and every term, that's why we considered. And why we omitted each and every term from omega from each and every term? From here, to make the calculation simple. So that's why it is in kg meter. So this R is what? Our unbalance. R means what? Our unbalance. If you want to balance this R, what will happen? We have to apply some external force that must be opposite to the what, guys? Equal, opposite to the what? R. Okay, means a centrifugal force due to that 0.02 kg mass must be equal and opposite to the what? Out of balance force R. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? Any doubt in this discussion? Clear? Okay, good. Now, so you are you getting my point? So what is the scenario with this question? So only the problem with this question is what? Here only the difference is what? Instead of adding extra masses, here what we are doing? We are removing masses. So that's why external force is what? Radially inward here. Okay, but everything story will be same as the previous questions only. Now this R has a 2 component. One is Rx. Rx means what? Component of R In what, guys? In x direction. And what about ry? Component of r? Component of r in what? Y direction. Okay, good. So please everyone write down these points. Then we will see how to find out r. If we get r, from r we can easily find out remaining things. That is what radius and angular position. Okay, good. Completed everyone? So now if you want to find out r, for getting r, what is our target? What we need? Rx and ry. What we need, guys? Rx and ry. And what is meant by r? Resultant of these four forces. M1 R1, M2 R2, M3 R3 and M4 R4. Okay. Now Rx will be what? Summation of forces in what? X direction. And what are the forces here in x direction? See, M1 R1 has not any component because directly in y direction. Now we replace this M2 R2 by its two component. What about this M2 R2 cos 15? Which direction, guys? Positive x minus cos 15 we considered. Okay, instead of, okay, so what? Minus M2 R2 cos 15. Then M3 R3 minus or plus? Minus M3 R3 cos what? 70. And then our final one, this one, M4 R4 plus or minus? Plus. Okay, good, very good. Plus M4 R4, how much, guys? M4 R4, how? Cos 30. Okay, good, very good. Okay, so now we are going to put the values. See the scenario here, guys. Please be attentive and please check it whether I am doing any mistakes or not. So what is M1 R1? Sorry, M2 R2? 1.225 10 raised to the power minus 3 minus into cos 50. M3 R3 is how much, guys? Check it, 2.45 cos 70 10 raised to the power minus 3 cos 70. Is it okay? Any doubt? 1.225 na? Okay. Okay, so don't get confused with M1 R1. Sometimes we may. Okay. And then M4 R4 is how much? 2. Check it once again. 2.94 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 cos 30. So please everyone do the calculation. Everyone please do the calculation. One 1.225 10 raised to the power minus 3 cos 15 minus 2.45 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 into cos 70 plus 2.94 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 into cos 30. So how much answer we are getting, guys? No. हाँ 5.9 unit meter. Okay, good. Everyone got the same answer? Everyone? No, check it once again. Check it once again. Okay, everyone? Good. Now then, Ry will be what, guys? After Rx, okay, 1 minute, guys. We got negative value means what? We got positive or negative? This one, positive or negative? Positive. Okay. If we are getting Rx positive, it means what? It must be towards right. Okay. Then Ry. Summation of forces in what, guys? Y direction. Okay. What are the forces here in Y direction? First of all, M1 R1 directly minus. Okay, everyone, please check it. Minus M1 R1. Then this one minus M2 R2 what? Sine 15. Okay, guys, good. Then after that, what will be the next one? Plus M3 R3 sine 70. Okay, everyone getting my point? And then M4 R4 sine 30. Okay. Any doubt in these forces, everyone? Any doubt in this discussion, everyone? Oh, okay, good. Now we are going to put the value. So R1, M1 R1 is how much, guys? Minus 3.675 10 raised to the power minus 3. Check it out once again. I may be wrong. M2 R2 1.225 10 raised to the power minus 3 sine 15 plus M3 R3 is how much, guys? M3 R3 2.45 10 raised to the power minus 3 into sine 70 plus M4 R4 is how much? 2.94 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 into how much? Sine of sine 30. So please everyone do the calculation. So everyone please do the calculation and tell me the value of Ry. Everyone please be careful with the values. Minus 2.198 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 unit kg meter, and it is coming minus means what? We are writing positive value 198 10 raised to the power minus 4 kg meter, and its direction, see the standard practice hour. We got minus means we will write down its positive value, and its direction is what? Downward. So please everyone write down up to Rx and Ry. So we got, guys, what we got? Rx and Ry. And from Rx and Ry, what we will get, guys? From Rx and Ry, what we will get? R. And from R is what? What is meant by R? Resultant means out of balance force indirectly. Okay, so guys, try to see the scenario here. What is the direction of R here? What is Rx? How to get Rx, guys, here? How to get Rx? Rx is what? Like this, in this direction. Then Ry will be in this direction. So we got Rx and Ry. What we have, guys? Rx and Ry. Rx is here. So how to get, guys, resultant? So that is what our R. Try to see the pointer here. Okay. Now I am extending this line here, and then a vertical dotted line. Try to see the point. If you want to balance this R means what? Our out of balance force. What is meant by R? R means what? Out of balance force. And if you want to balance this system, what will be the external force? We have a one mass. Mass is what? 0.02 kg. So what will be that effect? That effect of that mass 0.025 kg must be exactly opposite. If this angle is what? If this angle is what, guys? Theta. Then this angle must be what? Equal to what, guys? Theta. And that is what? This is what? M into R. And this angle is what? We will say 90 minus theta. Any doubt in this discussion? You are getting my point? So now, any doubt in this drawing? And guys, see the point here. R and this MR must be in the same line. Huh? This R and MR must be in what, guys? Must be in same line. Means because they are equal and opposite. So whatever the length of R, same must be length of the MR also. Here M is what? 0.02 kg mass. So guys, now how to get the R? How to get the R? R will be by Pythagoras theorem. R will be equal to what? Under root of Rx square plus Ry square by Pythagoras theorem. This is what, an anti-degree. So what? R will be equal to, try to see the point here. Rx will be equal to what? Rx will be equal to what here? How much Rx? 5 point, check it once again. 5.2499 4. Okay, good. Square, whole bracket square. Plus, okay, plus Ry is how much? 2.198 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. Whole bracket square, whole bracket square, everyone. So please do the calculation and tell me the value of R, everyone, please. You have to be good with calculations. Any more further? Second opinion? How much? 5 point? Okay, very good. Into 6906 into 10 raised to the power, how much, guys? Minus 4 unit, kg meter. So we got R, and by R, so then we have to find out what we got R. Then we need what, guys? Tan theta. And how to get tan theta? Opposite. How to get tan theta? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite how much, guys? Ry. Adjacent is how much here? Rx. See the point here. So theta will be equal to what? Theta will be equal to what? Tan inverse of Ry by Rx. Very good. Ry by Rx. Tan inverse of how much Ry, guys? 2.198 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. Rx is how much, guys? 5.249 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. Okay. So, what will be the theta? Everyone. Everyone, please do the calculation. How much? One 3 degree. Okay. So we got, guys, what we got? R and theta. So everyone, please first of all draw this drawing. After this drawing, please write down these things. Okay. Please everyone. So we got now R and Rx. Now try to see the scenario here, guys. This discussion is very, very important. We are at the end of numerical. Try to see the point here. So try to see the point here. So for balancing, okay, how much mass is with us, guys? 0.02 kg. How much mass is with us? 0.02 kg. So for balancing, centrifugal force. See the point. For balancing, centrifugal force due to what guys? Centrifugal force due to what? 0.02 kg mass must be what? Must be equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Must be in what guys? Must be equal in magnitude and opposite in direction of. So for balancing, centrifugal force due to 0.02 kg mass must be equal in magnitude and opposite in direction of out of balance force. Okay, you got it? What is meant by out of balance force? And here out of balance force is what? R. So therefore, what we can write? R is equal to what? M into R. So R will be equal to small r, radius of 5.02 kg mass. So capital R means our out of balance force and divided by M. So that what is our value of R guys? What is value of R? 5. Check it once again. 5.6906 into how much? 10 raised to the power minus 4 divided by small m is how much? 0.02 kg. So please everyone do the calculation. Zero 0.0283 meter. So this is what a radius of 0.02 kg mass. Okay, this will be what guys? Our radius. And then what will be angular position? What will be the angular position? What will be the angular position guys? 90 minus theta, counterclockwise direction. So angular position, this is what a radius, and angular position with respect to what? First hole. With respect to first hole will be what? 90 plus theta means 90 minus theta is how much guys? 22.7213. Okay, everyone getting my point? 90 minus 22.7213. Okay, so what will be this one? 90 minus 22.7213. How much guys? 787 degree. And in which direction? Counterclockwise. What guys? Counterclockwise. This sentence is very, very important. Clockwise, see, counterclockwise. So here there will be first hole. Here there will be what guys? First hole. And with respect to first hole, see, this is what our first hole. So 90 minus theta. Okay, everyone getting my point? So this is what our another answer. We can write this one in mm also. So in mm, radius will be how much? 28.453 mm. Okay, so we got radius and angular position of 0.02 kg mass. That is our balance mass. See, in this question is different from the earlier questions. Here, unbalance is created by mass removal. Here, unbalance is created by what? By the removal of masses. But balance is achieved by adding some external mass. How we achieved the balance? By adding some external mass. Okay. So please everyone, write down these things.